How are you? My YouTube follower and families which can follow us within each video. I want to give you a salute. How are you? I'm fine. I'm back with another video today. First of all, I want to thank you who subscribe my channel and like. In addition, who gives me unstrengthened comments, which makes me, as I talked before, makes me strong and push me for better work. So totally I wanted to thank you who supports my channel. Today I have new program connecting or concerned with internet adapter or internet cable adapter, which means or which used for convert the internet adapter or internet cable with USB, which means, in other words, the new latest computers doesn't support internet cable or RJ45. RJ45 doesn't support, so we must have to convert to USB, which is I talked before. Here it is, the device which converts RJ45 to USB. This is the device. It's so simple and comfortable to use. This is a port or loop which connect or plug in RJ45. We plug in RJ45 here, and then we plug this USB in our computer, which means the latest computers, 10th generations computers doesn't support this one or this RJ45 cable, internet cable. So I think you understand my idea. As you can see at the cover, this is top cover of the device which packed in this top cover. So USB, the speed is 2.0. It's better or enough speed which to use internet fast with fast speed. We call it internet adapter, USB internet adapter. In other words, with Windows 8 and Windows 7, more compatibility. With Windows 10, it must have to work because it's the latest one and the best window. So about its, I wanted to tell you about its speed. If we use one device, we must have to use it with enough speed. So this internet adapter gives us enough speed, which means 2.0 USB speed, which means without any disconnections we can use or we can search our internet with better speed or high speed, which means 10 megabytes per second. 10 megabytes per second we can use the internet, which means I think per second, within 1 second we can use 10 megabyte file or 100 mega. Within this range we can access our internet connection automatically, without any support, without any additional software. Integrated fast internet Mac physically clip and transfers in one chip. Within one chip supports 10 megabyte per second or and 100 megabyte per second N-way auto negative operation, which means it's very fast internet system, very fast system, which is specified. I wanted to tell you the specification of this device. The first one, as I talked before, it have 10 megabyte per second speed or internet automatically connected with and half or full duplex, which means 10 or 100 megabyte per second operation. 10 half means 10, full means 100 megabyte per second, which the end maximum point 100, the minimum one is 10. Within this range it can operate. Supports full duplex flow control, supports all USB standard commands, supports suspend or resum detection logic, compliance to USB interface version, which means 1.0 up to 1.1, and the final one 2.0, the final speed. Supports supports 10 megabyte per second or 100 megabyte per second N-way auto negotiation operation. Automatically it can negotiate the network systems and network delay ranges. Another one, integrated fast internet, MAC, physically clip and transceives in one clip, as I talked before, and Microsoft Windows 98 SE or ME or 2000 or XP or Vista, and links with Windows 7, Windows 8, finally with Windows 10. Sometimes Windows 10 can include is compatible file. Sometimes in other way it if we can find out we can't find, we can use the CD. This is the driver. It's packed with the device, as you can see, 25 minutes 225 megabyte. Do not put indicate and sunlight for polymer periods. It's caution. So by using this device, we can connect our internet adapter with our computer. For one time we must have to connect, then we put out it and use it for long time without repetition. The CD we must have to use with one time. So this is my today's program, in which concerned with this internet adapter. RJ45 converts to USB. It's a regular USB, not HDMI, So finally, I wanted to thank you for giving your best time for me. Next time I will be back with another best video. Thank you very much.